In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a blog template in Shopify. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform, and customizing the look and feel of your blog can help enhance your brand's presence. Whether you're looking to make the blog stand out or better align with your store's aesthetic, I'm here to guide you through the process with ease. First, let's start by accessing the blog posts section. So, in your Shopify admin panel, you'll want to navigate to the content and then go to blog posts. This area is essential because it's where all your blogging content and management tools are housed. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Manage Blogs. This action allows you to oversee all of the blogs associated with your Shopify store. Now that you're in the Manage Blogs section, it's time to select the specific blog you want to modify. Having a clear understanding of which blog you want to update will make the process smooth and straightforward. Once you've made your selection, the next area to focus on is found within the Online Store section. Here, you'll want to locate the Theme Template dropdown. It's a pivotal step because this dropdown allows you to view and select from the templates available for your blogs. With the Theme Template dropdown open, it's time to select the new template you desire. It's as simple as choosing from a list of available designs tailored for your blog page. Once you've settled on the perfect template, remember to click that Save button. It's a crucial step to ensure that all your changes are applied and visible on your live store. Before we wrap up, let's discuss a couple of important considerations. If none of the existing templates suit your needs, you might want to create a new one. This involves editing the theme's code, often referred to as liquid files, and customizing the layout and design according to Shopify's theme documentation. It's important to back up your theme before making any significant changes. Having a backup ensures that you can always revert to the original if anything goes awry during customization. Moreover, Shopify themes typically come with default blog templates, but you can always further customize them to better fit your brand and content goals. This could involve modifying the HTML, CSS, or liquid code within the theme's template files. To access and modify this code, you'll navigate to Online Store, click on Themes, then select Actions, and choose Edit Code. Doing so will grant you the flexibility needed to tweak your blog's appearance to perfection. That sums up our process for changing your blog template in Shopify. Remember, customizing your blog not only enhances your brand but also can attract and retain more visitors. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify customization.